Hey, I'm Andrew from Camperland, the service manager here. Here today we're talking about slide out maintenance, which is very critical. You always want to make sure your slide out seals are maintained. They sell a chemical that you can spray on them to keep them lubricated and to keep them fresh and soft. If they ever start to harden up, they'll crack, they'll break, you'll get leaks. You don't want that in a slide out. That will cause major issues. You just want to spray that chemical around all of the seals. And then from there we're going to go underneath and show you about the slide out mechanism on the bottom. Down here you've got all of your slide out mechanisms, rams, gears. You want to take a dry silicone spray lube. Do not use WD-40 or any type of grease, because those will attract dirt, and then that will cause issues with the gears, with the slide out shaft, all that. Now you pretty much just want to take this stuff, spray it real good along all your gears, gear tracks, on the mechanism, both sides. You can't see it from where you're standing, but on this back side of this front shaft there's a hydraulic shaft. You want to spray that a little bit. It's not very critical because it is lubricated from the inside. That is basically it on your slide out maintenance. Just make sure too that if you get a lot of rust buildup that you get all that off, because rust is a no-no. Come roll with us.